Hello everyone! My name is Gusti Ayu Putu Maharani, absent number 3 from class 11 Science 10. Now, I will explain about analytical exposition text, like the definition, the purpose or social function, the generic structure, the language feature, the example, and I will present about the text analysis that I have made. First, I will explain about the definition of analytical exposition text. Analytical exposition text linguistically comes from the word analytical. It means examining or liking to examine things very carefully. And exposition means a comprehensive description. Then, the definition of analytical exposition text is a text that tries to provide a comprehensive explanation of a problem by carefully presenting supporting opinions. In Indonesian, analytical exposition text berasal dari dua kata, yaitu analytical yang berarti suka memeriksa atau menguji sesuatu secara hati-hati, dan exposition yang berarti penjelasan secara luas. Nah, dapat disimpulkan, analytical exposition text atau teks eksposisi analitik itu berarti teks yang mencoba memberikan penjelasan secara komprehensif atau secara jelas dan secara luas tentang suatu masalah dengan menampilkan pendapat-pendapat pendukung secara hati-hati. Next, I will explain about the purpose or social function of the analytical exposition text. The purpose or social function of the analytical exposition text is to persuade, to attempt the reader to believe something by presenting one side of argument, to persuade the listeners or reader that something in the case, and to persuade your audience to look at an issue with your perspective. In Indonesia language, fungsi atau tujuan dari analytical exposition text itu adalah untuk meyakinkan pembaca agar mempercayai sesuatu dengan memberikan satu sisi pendapat saja, dan meyakinkan pembaca bahwa topik yang didirikan atau yang dihadirkan adalah topik yang penting untuk dibahas. Next, I will explain about the structure of analytical exposition text. The generic structure of analytical exposition text first is thesis. In the thesis section, must tell the reader about the main topic on the text. Reader can also see why the author gives an opinion on the topic. Thesis is found in first paragraph. Second is argument. The author will write an opinion to support the main topic that has been presented previously. The more argument present, the more readers will believe that the topic discussed is an important topic. Third is reiteration or conclusion. This section is always located at the end of the text and becomes the closing paragraph of the article. Reiteration contains reaffirmation of the author's position and opinion on the main topic. In Indonesian language, analytical exposition text ada tiga struktur. Yang pertama itu tesis. Tesis ini selalu berada di awal paragraf yang menjelaskan tentang topik-topik yang akan dibahas. Yang kedua yaitu argumen. Nah, pada argumen ini berisi banyak pendapat tentang topik yang akan dibahas. Dan yang terakhir itu ada reiteration atau conclusion. Nah, di sana berisi penegasan kembali tentang topik yang telah dibahas oleh penulis. Next, I will explain the language features. The language features of analytical exposition text. First, use descriptive persuasive words with emotive connotation to emphasize your viewpoint. In Indonesian mean, Menggunakan kata-kata deskriptif persuasif dengan konotasi emotif untuk menekankan sudut pandang. Second, use present tense such as lion's life, I eat, and car screed. Third, use mental verbs such as I believe, I prefer, I agree, and I disagree. Fourth, use saying verbs to support the argument, such as people say, it is said, and research indicates. Fifth, use connecting words to link to arguments so that the flow of the argument is logical and fluent. Examples: additionally, furthermore, not only, and also. 6. Use causal conjunction to indicate a cause or reasons of what is being stated. Example: because, consequently, and for that reasons. 7. Use words that express the author's attitude. Example: will, frequently, might, must, and usually. 8. Use persuasive techniques. The example of analytical exposition texts are legal defense, speech or lectures, editorials, newspaper articles, essay, political leaflets, and letters. The reasons why this example is called an analytical exposition text is because from the examples we have examined all types of the text contain the opinion of the author and explain something that is happening. Examples: like we send a letter to school when we are 6, which indicates that we are not allowed to come to school because sick. In Indonesian means, contoh dari teks eksposisi analiti itu yaitu pembelaan hukum, pidato, editorial, artikel koran, esai, selebaran politik, dan surat. Nah, kenapa itu bisa disebut teks eksposisi analitik? Karena teks itu menjelaskan tentang opini dari sang penulis dan menjelaskan tentang sesuatu yang sedang terjadi. Next, I will explain about the analytical of exposition text that I have made. The title of the text that I used is "Cars Should Be Banned in the City." As we all know, cars create pollution and cause a lot of road deaths and other accidents. Firstly, cars, as we all know, contribute to most of the pollution in the world. Cars emit deadly gas that cause illness such as bronchitis, lung cancer, and triggers of asthma. Some of these illnesses are so bad that people can die from them. Secondly, the city is very busy. Pedestrians wander everywhere, and cars commonly hit pedestrians in the city, which cause them to die. Cars today are roads' biggest killers. Thirdly, cars are very noisy. If you live in the city, you may find it hard to sleep at night or concentrate on your homework and especially talk to someone. In conclusion, cars should be banned from the city for the reason listed. Analysis of the text. The structure of the text thesis is found in the first paragraph. The argument is found in the second, third, and fourth paragraph, and reiteration or conclusion is found in fifth or last paragraph. The social function of the text is to remind people of how dangerous car is. As we all know, cars create pollution and cause a lot of road deaths and other accidents. The purpose of the text is to persuade reader about the cars should be banned in the city. The language features of the text: first, use the present tense, such as cars create pollution, cars are very noisy. Second, use causal conjunction to indicate a cause or reason of what is being stated. From the text, example, which caused them to die, and use mental verbs. Example from the text, cars, as we all know, contribute to most of the pollution. The mental verb is contribute. Then, that's the explanation of analytical exposition text that I can explain. Sorry if there are still many mistakes.